As in this video, we'll be discussing how to do prime factorization, that means factorization, okay, method of factorization by using identities. Now, here we'll be using various identities. Suppose I'll write first identity a plus b the whole square. You have studied in the algebraic expressions, that is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square, correct? Second identity will be using a minus b the whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, correct? Third identity we'll be using here is a square minus b square, that is nothing but a plus b into a minus b, correct? Next identity we'll be using here, fourth one, that will be based on the x square plus a plus b x plus ab, which is nothing but x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is this term, okay? This all four identities will be using this. You are studying in what? Algebraic expressions, okay? So let us move on to some examples so that you'll understand in a better way. So let us take one example over here. A square plus 8a plus 16. Now in this method you have to see and understand. By seeing the identities you have to understand what you have to do here. Suppose this is a square plus 8a plus a 16. Now in four identities that I have discussed before, just before this, so that is basically a square a plus b the whole square. Now a plus b the whole square, if you observe, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, correct? So it's basically, if you see this term a square plus 2ab plus b square, it's basically when you compare this and this, see here plus sign came, correct? Here also plus sign is there. B square 2ab a square, see a square 2ab, so this is nothing but a square in the identity, this is nothing but 2ab in the identity, this is nothing but what? B square in the identity, correct? Now you have to find what? You have to find this. So basically in the question they will give this, you have to find this, you have to bring it into this form. That is the main thing here. Now observe here how to bring that. This is already a square, this is already a square, so basically in this a will remain as a itself, correct? Now what you have to do, you have to find b, so that you have to put it here, right? If you have to find b, how to find b? It's basically, see, b square is 16, sorry, 16. B square is what? 16. What will be b? Under root of 16. Square root of 16 is nothing but what? 4. Or in other words, we can say b square is equal to 16. So b square is nothing but what number square is 16? That is 4 square. So b is equal to 4. Okay, in any way you can find. So b is nothing but 4. So I can write a is a plus 4 the whole square. But in order to write in the exam, you have to do some steps. That is basically what you have to do. You have to find what? Now what I can do is that 2ab, so write it as 2ab is equal to 8a, correct? 2ab is equal to 8a. 2, now here see, a get cancelled. 2b is equal to 8. What is b here? 8 by 2, that is also 4. So in this case also 4 we got, here also 4 we got. Now you can directly write this as this term. That's it, okay? So there are various ways to find b. A you can directly find out by seeing this, okay? So one more term we'll take, p square minus 10p plus 25, correct? Now what you have to do here, just see here, observe here, compare with, see, one minus sign came. No, we cannot use this formula again. A plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Why? Because here plus sign is there, but here one minus sign came. So it's basically what? A minus b the whole square, because a square minus 2ab will come here. Try to understand. A square minus 2ab, so minus came, so we have to use this. So basically they will give you this, you have to find, write it in this form. So a square, when I compare with this, a square will be this 2ab, and this will be b square, correct? Now we have to find a square. What is a square here? Common thing, basic thing. A square is nothing but p square. Okay, that means what is a here? See, a square equal to p square. What will be a here? A is nothing but p. We got a. Now we have to find b. How to find b? We can take this also, you can take this also. If I take b square equal to what? 25, correct? B square equal to 25. So b square is nothing but what is 25? What number square is 25? 5 square. That is b square equal to 5 square. That means b is equal to 5. Or in other words, we can write b square equal to 25. So b is equal to square root of 25. That is nothing but 5. Any method you can use. Suppose I take 2ab. So 2ab is equal to 10p. Correct? 2ab is equal to 10p here. Now you have to find what? So a is nothing but here what? A is p. So in place of a I place p equal to 10p. P get cancelled. 2b is so basic idea here is that, see, 2ab is equal to what? 10p, correct? 2ab is equal to what? 10p. So we got this value 2ab 10p. Now here we have a is what? P. So cancel this 2. 2b is equal to 10. What is b? 10 by 2, that is 5. Any method you can find. You can use this also, you can use this also to find b. Now you have to just replace a and b. What is a here? P. P minus what is b here? 5, the whole square. This will be the answer. Or you can reduce it, you can write the factorized form into p minus 5. Whole square, anything square will be 2 times multiplying the same number, right? So I am just multiplying these two. So in this method you have to remember, so question will be given in this form, you have to write it in this form. That's a major thing. Okay.